FLN-75G-K9 user manual. Today we are gonna tell you some things that should be paid attention while using our K9. First of all, our K9 adopts installation free, no need to install. It can be placed in the office, bedroom, living room, kitchen, etc. Before using, we need to open the raw water tank lid of the host. Take out the tank, and fill up to reach the line of 3500 milliliters. Put it back in place. Press down firmly, and close the lid. Attention, if the lid is not laid flat or not covered well, the machine will not work for water production. Then plug in, it officially starts water production. We need to rinse the filters before using the new machine for the first time. If you only rely on the water outlet, it will be very slow. Here we can use the PE tube to solve this problem. We need to shut it off at first, unplug the blue card, and the plug from the back of device. Connect the tube to drain. After about 5–10 minutes, unplug the tube and then insert the plug and blue card back. If you need to replace the filters, it has to be shut off. Open the lid of the tank, and then open another closer lid as well. K9 has 4 stages filtration, and there will be a filter replacement instruction and replacement cycles printed for your reference. We only need to unscrew the old filter. Replace with the new filter, put it back in the corresponding position, and then tighten it. Cover 2 lids on top, in turn. Finally turn it on, and rinse the filters for 5–10 minutes will be completed.